Registering for My Canada Life at Work takes just a few minutes. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com and click Register. Then select both to manage your benefits and savings plans. Enter your plan or policy number and member or certificate number for at least one of your plans. You should have received these numbers from your plan administrator. Then choose Next. Now enter your first and last name as they appear in your enrollment package or on your statement. Next, you'll add your personal email address and a password you'll always use to sign in. We'll email you to make sure we got it right. After you confirm, you can sign in and complete your account setup. So we can verify your identity, enter a few more of your personal details. Then click Next. Finally, to keep your account extra safe, you can use two-step verification. If you do, we'll send you a 5-digit code every time you sign in or change your password. That's it! Now you're ready to use My Canada Life at Work for your benefits and savings plans. Go to mycanadalifeatwork.com to get started.